So the other day it had pretty much all of its leaves, but you can see, well, you can't tell too much from there, but down here it lost a bunch this last couple days. We had some rain and it really came down. So I wasn't going to do a video on this, but it really is a task. You see all the other trees have lost their leaves. And these are still coming down, but we've already got a huge amount on the sidewalks. I've already started pulling them down. I'm going to try something different this year. I'm going to try putting them on a tarp and taking them up in the woods up to our other location. I'd like to get them on here, but the problem is if I put them here and then we get a strong wind, I've come by one day when it was a strong wind and it just blew them all over. They're just leaving here fast. So I think I'm going to take them up in the woods. I still want to, I still want most of the leaves here, or a bunch of them, to fall in here and stay there. But I don't know how to keep them there. That's the problem. So that's something we're still thinking about, but maybe there is no good solution to that. But either way, we're going to rake up as many leaves as I can into this tarp, fold it up, and then I'm going to hopefully pull it on the back of the truck later today when I'm leaving. Okay, so you can see what it does. I got to rake all the road up here too. Just gobs of them. Okay, back at the raking.